Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. These are two chimney swifts. They were in the firebox of a house I was working on. I've had them for 24 hours now. I started yesterday trying to find a bird rescue. A lot of them had outdated information. One of them, the website was 10 years old, and I got hold of one of the people. He said, man, I hadn't done anything for them, and I couldn't tell you when. And one rescue that I'd offered to catch crayfish for an otter they had. I contacted them. They said, well, we'll get up with you. So today, I'm worried about these birds. So I told them, I said, hey, I'm available. You just let me know. I will bring them to you. But it seems like a lot of these people want to get a rescue, and really they want a Kodak moment with the newspapers. Oh, we've done this, we've done that. Well, okay, these two birds, they don't mean nothing to nobody except for me, probably. And I've contacted the other one 3 times. The last email I sent, I told him, I said, don't worry about it. I said, if you're that busy, I said, I do not want to burden you any further. And I contacted another one, and the lady told me, she said, put them in a wicker basket outside the nest, and that'll be best. And there were cats around there. I said, no, I said, you don't do that. I said, there's cats around there. I said, that'd just be open predation. I said, that doesn't make sense. And if you're going to be in an animal rescue, either do it or don't. Don't wait to, oh, I was in the paper for rescuing them. If you ain't going to do it, don't do it. It's just that simple. There's a responsibility that comes with it. I'm still on the phone trying to find somebody, and I'm pissed because the way these people just, these birds hadn't ate in 24 hours. I tried to feed them several different times. This is not my field of expertise, but I don't want them to starve to death, and it's just, I'm tired of these people wanting to be a rescue and have their picture in the paper. I've never went to the paper, for anything I've done like that. And don't want them to know what I'm doing. I don't care. I don't need accolades. And, I just enjoy doing stuff. But this thing's got me really pissed off. And these birds are fully feathered. They're a week from probably being on their own, maybe 2 weeks. I doubt 2 weeks, but they're tough little birds, and I'm still trying to find someone to take them. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry about the rant. God bless.